Hello friends, welcome to RD channel, and today I'm going to show you how to download apps for free or get them at a discounted rate. This is not the kind of apps wherein you get it on for a jailbroken version or from third party sites wherein you have to trust the owner and then there are issues with relating to hacking. Okay, this is genuine thing. So first we need to go to iossnoops.com. It's a website known as iossnoops.com which is updated daily, and there you have the list of applications wherein there are app price drops. So all apps on sale. So this is for Tuesday, April 3rd 2018. These are all the apps. So this prices mentioned in dollars, but even if you go for it, you'll get it in an Indian currency once you click it. Say for example, I want star map 3D plus. So I click on that and you get an open in app store. So click on that, and there you have the Indian price for it. So it's a discounted price compared to the normal price, which is around 250 rupees. So these are all the apps that you get at a discounted rate, and they are genuine from the app store. Now coming to the apps gone free. So these are all the apps that are completely available free, and you get a wide variety of them, and the procedure is more or less the same. So let's say I want quick clipboard manager. I just click on it and get the same app for free. Note that this is updated daily, and you also have new releases apps on it. So in order to save this page on your home screen like I have, just click on this button and add to home screen. Click on it. So you can add the same thing on the home screen just like I have on my phone.